All right, I'm back. I'm sorry I wasn't here yesterday. I had some stuff I had to do yesterday. Having been out of commission for about the last couple of weeks, I guess you might say, I had some stuff I had to take care of. Um, I'm not completely 100% today. I don't know why. Um, and, well, trying to get my stuff all back together here. Anyway, it's finding stuff that I need to put back together. There we go. All right. I'm scrapping the idea of the horse in the pond and the woman. Um, it's it's just not clicking in my mind right now. I'm not going to forget it completely. I'm just going to put the whole bunch of stuff aside and pick it up at another time if I decide to. I'm not quite sure. The armature is pretty much devastated because of the years of sitting on my shelf, and it's really expensive to buy a new one. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I've got an idea for a piece, and it's not going to have anything to do with a horse or a woman or anything like that. It's just going to be, well, I don't know yet. I'm feeling a lot better. Just stuff here and there that just doesn't want to seem to kick off and go away. All right, I'll be right back. I'm trying to work out an idea I've got in my head, and I don't know. I've got these maquettes that I got online. Actually, I got them off of Amazon, and I'm trying to plan out something where these two mountain men are searching for a valley where they hear there's beaver, and they've climbed to a pinnacle of a mountain to see if they can find it. And I'm just trying to figure out how to position these guys, if I'm going to have two of them or at all. I don't know yet. I'm still in the process of trying to figure it out. I think this figure, well, see, this figure's, see, that's the thing, you can't really buy these things that are quality because they come apart sometimes, and then you got to put everything back together again. The mountains around here have incredible rock formations, and that's what I'm going to try to emulate. I want them both looking in the same direction. Kind of like he's pointing. The problem, though, I'm thinking, is it's going to be hard to figure out what to do with this side of the sculpture. I don't know. And I'd have to figure out how to do the platform to hold it up. You know, if they're each carrying a rifle, boy, that's going to add to it. Maybe just have him holding his rifle over his shoulder. Maybe just have one single figure. Now, this is a poor representation of a feathered headdress, but I was just trying to see what it would look like with the wind blowing the feathers forward of a war bonnet. Have feathers on the shield, which are blowing as well. I don't know. Anyway, you see, I'm debating what to do, and I'm trying different ideas, and I'm not sure. I kind of like the idea. It's something I'm going to have to work on as far as design if I'm going to do something like that. Maquettes come in handy, but only to a limited point, because you can't really, without going great expense for a real good maquette, you can't really get a good idea what you're going to do. This could be a kind of like acoustic, not acoustic. I mean a chief's flag. It's a curved staff that he would hold. I like the feather effect here, showing the wind. Maybe not quite that high up in the ground, off the ground. Anyway, I still got my cough. All right. Now these are things I'm going to think about, and whether I get down here tomorrow to work on it, I don't know. I've got to really think about the story that would go behind something like this. Maybe have another warrior. This is the kind of piece, though, that might work out in a circular way. Well, you get into feathered headdresses, though, and it's really expensive to cast. But it is dramatic. If I put another headdress on this guy, call it the War Leaders. I don't know. All right. I'll be back the next time. I don't know what day. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow. I'm going to think about this one. I think this could be an interesting design. I'll have to think about it. All right, everybody, have a great night. And I'm glad I'm feeling good. Now if I can just come up with a workable idea for my next piece. I really like that. I just got to think about the context of something like that. All right, good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.